So this is the voting app wherein you can enter your name and then choose. So in this example, the question is, what is the best tool that you can use for web or mobile development? So these are the choices: Flutter, Java, and C Sharp. So to cast a vote, you need to press this and then it will be cleared again and another voter can enter his vote. Yeah, for the results, it will display the results of the voting. So we have Flutter, we have 4 votes. So previously, I have previous votes that was already counted here. So there are already 4 votes for Flutter Java. Then when you click OK, so the dialog box will be displayed. And when you click clear, the results will also be cleared. The text box and the interface will be cleared as well as the results. So your challenge is to design or create an application which will make use of this widget and yeah, we'll be able to again get results from the inputs by the user. So other way or application that you can use these widgets and yeah. So for example, a rating for good, very good, or yung mga surveys. No? So this is just an example. So you can create more concrete and good application using this widget.